Hi and welcome to UltiM8 Tools. Let's just drag in here a little bit, coming further. We've got two lovely new additions to the dimple pick range. We're not going to show you how they look today, but we have a strong European contender here with the extended length to go through security excursions. This is the Tessa T60 T80. Okay, the double-sided dimple key as... Let's take one out here and show you. This is the Tessa T60, which is there. Okay, the T80 has the side entry pins. Okay, these are the actual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 normal pins, correct pins, and then they have like a side, another like side entry pins on the top there. With the one blade again on the pick itself, and like I said, we'll take care of both of it, the T60 and the T80. Like I said, the only difference between the T60 and T80, the T60 once again has a straight 6, and the T80 has the extra side entry pins. So that pick's done and ready. Okay, there's no problem. They are available on supply and demand and made to order for you, and they are £250 each plus the VAT. Okay, they work completely differently. You get the a Vimeo video, training videos with them, how to pick these locks. These locks pick very, very uniquely and differently. Very, very simple. Anybody can pick them. Okay, but it just takes a little bit of time on that one. The other one we have done in a similar manner is for the CISA Astral. Okay, this is the key if you want to come in and have a look. The CISA Astral, obviously an Italian key, but very, very big all over Europe and in the UK. This one does have your straight 6 pins and your side entry. Okay, we've done that one as well. That's all working in a lovely manner. Okay, same again, same price as the Tessa T60 T80. Supply and demand, made to order for you, and it will come with training videos as well. Okay, so looking forward to you getting excited about these. We might have a peak show for you at the MLA Expo in Telford, so be square and I'll see you there.